Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to make string eggs for Easter. Firstly, mix equal parts of granulated sugar and water in a pot. Heat on the stove while stirring constantly until fully dissolved and bring to a boil, then remove from heat and allow to cool. Now pour into a shallow container for easy dipping and cover the plastic wrap and store at room temperature if using later. If sugar might attract ants or it is unsuitable for humid climates, you can use liquid fabric starch or white glue diluted with water. Inflate a small balloon to about 1/4 of a regular egg size and tie it securely. Cover your workspace with newspaper to catch drips and dip yellow threads into a sugar mixture and wrap it around the small balloon, scissoring tightly. Hang the wrapped balloon in a warm, dry place to dry for 24 hours, and once fully dry, pop the small balloon with a pin and carefully remove it using tweezers. Stretch open a new balloon and carefully insert a drilled yolk inside. Be patient as the yolk can be delicate. Use tweezers if needed and inflate the balloon to egg size and tie it. Dip white thread onto the sugar mixture and wrap the balloon in glycerin layers. Hang to dry for 24 hours over newspaper to catch drip. Once fully dry, pop the large balloon into a pin and carefully extract the yolk first. Remove any remaining balloon pieces and have a realistic string egg with a yolk inside. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.